Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next video drops. Now for this episode, we're going to be fitting a new cabin filter, or as they're sometimes known, pollen filters, to this 2013 AO series Mitsubishi Mirage. Now, trust me, it is actually here, and it's a Mirage. Figure that one out. While you're thinking about that, let's get to putting this bad boy in, all right? Come on. All right, so we're just going to open our passenger's door here. And what we need to do is get in behind the glove compartment, okay? Because our cabin filter is behind it. So it's really just as simple as opening up our glove box. All right, you can see this here. This is the cabin filter housing, right? Part of the HVAC system, this bad boy. Now what we need to do is just remove the glove box, okay? Very simple. We just give it a bump on one side and on the other, and it comes straight out, all right? Just like that. And here we can see our cabin filter housing, okay? So what we do now is pull the tab, swing the door out of the way, here we are, and slide our little filter out. And she is chock-a-block full of rubbish. All right. Ah! Okay, so fling it over a rainbow. Get our new filter. Here it is here. What a difference, eh? Open his little keep fresh bag. Now notice how it says has a direction of airflow through it, okay? So we put this side down and in she goes. Simple as that. Slide it in, front back on like that, and it's in there. Sick. Now we just put our glove box door back on, lift it up like this, slide it down, and clip it onto the bottom, and clip it onto the bottom. Hingy, hingy, closey, closey, and we're done. Close the door and get ready for some sick, clean, fresh, nice, cool aircon. Yeah. Well guys, there you have it. That's how easy it is to change a cabin air filter in a 2013 model Mirage. Now here's the old unit. It's absolutely full of crud. Probably a good chance it hasn't been changed since Mr. Mirage was a baby. But it has been now, right? Got a nice new Ryco unit in there. It's going to be a blessing coming into summer. And that's it. So thanks for tuning in once again to Nev's Garage. As always, please keep liking and sharing our YouTube channel, and also jump on our socials at Gossam Media on Instagram. Follow us there for exclusive behind the scenes footage and keep up to date. Anyway, y'all, see you next time. Nev's Garage. Peace out.